Welcome to PFTV. Ngiphethe Clyde, Clyde. 1-0 to Orlando Pirates. Laba bafana basenza happy Clyde. Uyibone kanjani game namhlanje?
No, igame imnandi bafu, igame imnandi. But then khona okuncane engakubonanga kahle. Angazi ukuthi ucoach mhlambe somewhere somehow uyibone kanjani igame. Unemthanjela naye uyadlala yena showcase. But the substitution yakambatha lapha angibonanga kahle. I thought ukuthi uzokhipha unemthanjela and then assume batha lapha phakathi. But overall I think ama changes wakhe I think he's getting it right because he's winning the game. Yeah.
Kudos to the coach as well, Pagania. First season already has 2 cups in the bag. You understand? On the league, we are number 1. Surely, man, he's having a great season. Although sometimes no question, but eventually he gets his decision right.
Yeah, I agree. Hence I'm saying, we are watching ama changes work, and then eventually gets lucky, and then the team wins. Into esifunayo vele as ama Pirate supporters. Sifuna ukuthi team you win at the end of the day. But then yes, njengoba ngisho ukuthi ama changes there and there I think uMakhawula as well I thought maybe we should have given him time in the pitch. And then as well, Umbatha, I thought we should give him time on the pitch. Now you end up having a lot of wingers in the team, and then that I think as well, it disrupts the team a little bit. So I think ukuthi uNemthanjela as well, if he's not performing, we need to sub him as well and give him a rest.
He must treat all the players must be treated fairly. Ne? And then let's talk about MasterChef Pagania. He was running that game in the second half. Thoughts on MasterChef today?
The calmness that he brings on the game, man, I think it's amazing. And then the passes as well. He's calm, he's cooking. He's cooking. And I thought maybe we should have started with him as well. I really thought we were going to start with him. But then great timing by the coach. He brought him on. In the second half, I thought we needed him because the game needed somebody who was going to be calm. And then he came in, he brought the calmness, and then everything was... The kitchen was hot. Everybody was enjoying the game now. I saw the fans were like buzzing when he was coming in.
Amazing atmosphere.
The atmosphere was great because, he's a chef. This cooking.
Some say he cooks and even wash the dishes. And then last question, Pagania, your man of the match. I know it was a scrappy game and my colleague asked me during the course of the game, who's your man of the match? I found myself scratching my head thinking, who's my man of the match? Who was your man of the match, Pagania, today?
I thought Mbokazi played well. It was his last game. I thought he really played well.
It's difficult.
It's difficult to say. I'm telling you, it's difficult to say. But Mbokazi, I think, for me, stands out.
Thanks, Pagania. Bopa.